Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the chimney breast is sound and load-bearing. This matters because your frame must transfer loads to studs, not just drywall. Once done, measure TV height from floor and mark a horizontal ledger to support cabinets or shelves. Next, install vertical 2x4 studs either side of the chimney, fastening into floor and ceiling plates. Make sure to leave a 1/2-inch ventilation gap against masonry, so heat can disperse and finishes won't trap moisture. Now you construct the enclosure. Screw 3/4-inch plywood backer across the framed opening, reinforcing the exact TV mount plate area so screws bite into solid substrate. While framing, run power and low voltage cables through conduit and keep them at least 1 inch from hot masonry. This protects wiring and follows best practice. Once utilities are in, add noggins for shelves and recesses, and fix metal ties or anchors to secure the new frame to the chimney. This prevents racking and keeps the face flush. To finish, hang plasterboard, tape joints, and apply a skim coat. Once smooth, sand and install trim or cabinetry faces to match your design. After paint, mount the TV to the reinforced backer and route cables through concealment channels so nothing hangs loose. Make sure connectors are accessible. Finally, test ventilation with a hand, check for any frame movement by applying gentle pressure. And if you find gaps or flecks, add blocking or anchors, then caulk and repaint with a heat-resistant primer to protect finishes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.